Ich verstecke mich vor Papa.
Hast du ihn schon gefunden?
Er ist im Kleiderschrank.
Er ist immer im Kleiderschrank.
Vielleicht solltest du ihn finden, damit wir Abendessen können. Du kannst ihn ins Bett bringen. Hm?
Dann kannst du mich ins Bett bringen. Fertig oder nicht? Jetzt komme ich. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Gustav!
Ja?
Sie sind hier! Johannes, hör mir zu. Du musst dich verstecken und egal was passiert, bewege dich nicht. Nicht ein Laut. Hast du mich verstanden?
Papi!
Marille, Sie wissen, dass wir hier sind.
Bitte, mein Schatz, sei brav und sei ganz still.
Moment mal, ich komme schon.
Heil Hitler!
Karl, lass mich in Ruhe mit deinem Hitler.
Heil Hitler!
Karl, du bist zu gut dafür.
JP. JP, Crombie wants you.
Let me guess, it's urgent. Always is.
Dave, would you just listen to me, mate?
He's not coming out, Ship.
Dave, let's talk about this.
Oh, take another two there, Archie. Help, lads. Hey, it's JP. G'day, boys.
Fuel storage.
There's over 10,000 gallons in there, JP, not to mention everything else. If he pulls that trigger, he's not the only thing going pop.
What the hell's he up to? On his way to being locked up, I'd say. I'm not sure Dave's the type to pull the trigger on
Gets
himself.
locked up, then we don't fly tomorrow.
All more reason I reckon to let him go. A day off could do us a world of good. They'll replace him by next week, JP.
Archie, we're flying tomorrow.
He's not going to fly tomorrow, JP.
Oh, Kelly's not. Dave!
He's not because he doesn't want to fly with you. The truth is, Dave got the insight on tomorrow's target. We're hitting Dresden, JP.
Bloody hell do you think I'm gonna do? I guess he just thinks you'd be playing bad luck.
Hey there, Davey boy.
Go to hell, JP.
You don't put that gun away and you might be following me there.
You don't get it, do you? We follow you there every night. 17 missions and it's getting closer and closer. Can't you see that? You're a fool.
Oh, it's nice to hear your opinion of me hasn't changed, Dave. Let's cut the chit-chat and get straight to the point, shall we? What's your problem?
I'm not flying with you tomorrow.
Yeah, so I hear.
Would you rather die tonight?
Hey, you're drunk. Should have known. When are you going to give it up, Dave? It's getting old.
I'm serious. I'm not going up there with
you. You coward. You know, I actually thought you had the balls to kill yourself. You're so worthless you can't even do that. Get some rest, Dave. We fly tomorrow.
I'm not worthless. I could at least kill one crowd tonight. You really are a piece of work, aren't you? What does go through that head of yours?
We don't go up and drop those bombs because of you tomorrow. I won't forget that. That's a promise.
You really think God will forgive you, Jonathan?
There is no God, Dave. You call me a fool and you still believe in him after everything you've seen.
Hey,
Move.
Drink?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what you said to Dave, but he seems to have changed his mind. Is it me? Because I'm concerned. When we're up there tomorrow, I need you there, not your baggage. Same goes with Dave.
Yeah.
Hey, JP, hear what I'm saying to you. Dresden, Dave, you can't take it onto the plane with tomorrow.
Yeah, I know.
You have to let it go.
Yeah, I will.
All of it, JP. All of it. Well, none of us are coming back.
We're about 4 miles northeast of the city target.
And where's everybody else?
Right behind us, don't worry.
Of course, no need to worry. We're just a bait at the end of a hook.
How many searchlights did you pound them?
Millions, I reckon. I bet you Sparky. 4 million?
That's just a spotlight after they're searching for you, center stage.
How many you count, Skipper?
Not too many, I reckon.
It's a couple of thousand. At least.
God, I've never seen anything like this before.
Neither have I.
You know, have I. Yeah, they're searching for us, alright. You bastards.
You send us down, Skip. Funny and I'll shoot the crowds for you. They're searching for Archie and missed his cue.
Yeah, righto. Enough.
2 minutes, 10 seconds to target.
And here's me thinking I was in charge of this bird. That's 2 minutes, 10 seconds, Bomb Aimer.
Okay, Skipper.
James, you're still alive back there. Thomas, check the intercom communication.
If we can hear you, you should hear him, Skipper. That's the way it works.
JP.
Okay, Crombie, we're close. It's 120 to target.
Okay, lads, the city's on blackout. We should be sighting our target indicators any time now. Once you stay on focus.
Flares just to the left.
Okay. Check the position of the flares, Bomb Aimer, and follow your sign around.
There's a light that's been coined up in your starboard, Skipper.
Oh, Christ. They've got him.
Poor bastards.
Let's just find any hunt target and get the bloody hell out of here.
Ah, there's a blip.
We've been hit. It's going up, lads. Oh, this thing is gone.
Monty, goddammit, you okay? Thomas.
Yeah, I'm there.
40 seconds!
Those names.
He's in bad, Skipper. He's losing a lot of blood.
Okay, Tommy, do what you can.
Easy, easy.
30 seconds, Crombie!
We're gonna have to circle back, JP. It's too late.
We're not circling back. 25 seconds and we drop the cookies. 15 seconds, Crombie! Stay steady!
Alright, ready to go on your count, JP.
Pop doors open. Left, left! We're good to go in 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bombs loose. Bombs are loose.
JP, was that impact on target? JP!
Let's confirm.
Yeah! Woo!
Yes!
Woo!
Direct hit.
lost Monty.
Good job, you two. Let's find out how he likes getting home.
Incoming 9 o'clock!
I can't see it!
He's out there quick as hell!
He's flying up!
Hey, keep your eyes at 6 o'clock, we have a live one. James, do you read me? A Messerschmitt?
No, too fast, too small! What's smaller than a Messerschmitt?
Okay, keep your eyes skinned for fighters, boys. They're obviously milling around the target there like flies.
What'd you say, Skip? I don't know, I think it was a... What the hell is that?
Look at the ammo feed again.
Sounds like the ammo feed's fine. You got something, James? James! Thomas, goddammit, the intercom, could James even hear me?
I checked it, there was nothing wrong.
Thomas, what the hell is going on?
I don't know, wait.
What is it? It's coming from the bomb bay.
Well, that's certainly not the ammo feed.
What's going on back there?
There's something with the bomb bay.
Did all the bombs release?
They should have.
Are the doors secure?
Yes.
Okay, JP, Dave, get back to your stations and get us home. Thomas, get down there and check it out.
What?
We're torn open, I need it checked or we won't get home at all. Move.
I'll go.
Not on your life. You get back there and find our coordinates and get us home alive, like you promised. I'll be fine.
Tom's in trouble.
Tom!
Incoming 10 o'clock! I don't see him! He's out there! He's nowhere about!
What the hell? Jamesy.
James has been hit!
You see her too? She said your name. Why would she say your name?
JP, Dave, where the hell are you two? I need our heading. Get up here.
Probably need you to find our position. Hey, you hear me?
What the hell is going on?
Don't do this. Don't do this now. Just find our position. Get us home. Guys.
I told you the crowd would lose it.
Get to your station, JP.
We're in trouble, Crombie.
Skip, got a bit of a problem. There's a little girl up here.
I don't have time for this.
I'm serious.
Archie? Archie? I got you. I don't want to die, JP. You're gonna die, mate. We're all gonna help. There is no help. Where did she come from? Archie. Get me home. Don't do it. Come on. Leave him alone.
What do you want?
Johannes. Johannes. Mein Schatz, ich bin so froh, dich gefunden zu haben. Mein lieber Johannes, ich hatte dir ein glücklicheres Leben gewünscht. Aber du hast mit so viel Hass in dir gelebt. Ich fürchte, du wirst die Liebe an mir kennenlernen.
Nein, Mama. Nein! Nein! Mama! God help us.